Students, welcome back. So we are doing chapter 1, goods and services tax. Okay, exercise 1A from ICSE class 10th book, concise mathematics, and we have completed till question number 5 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 6. Okay, so this is question number 6. Find the amount of bill for the following intra-state transaction of goods and services. So the transaction is intra-state, isn't it? Intra-state means the transaction is carried within the state. Okay, supply is made within the same state, which means tax should be divided into two parts: CGST and SGST. CGST is Central Goods and Services Tax. SGST means State Goods and Services Tax. Okay, CGST is given to us 6%, which means SGST will also be 6%. Okay, CGST is given to us 9%, which means SGST will also be 9%. CGST 14% means SGST should also be 14%. CGST 2.5% means SGST should also be 2.5%. CGST and SGST will be equal. Okay, tax will be divided into two parts. Now let us do this question. MRP 12,000, maximum retail price is 12,000, discount 30%. Okay, discount percent given is 30%. So what will be the discounted value? What will be the discounted value or the selling price, SP? Okay, so MRP is 12,000, discount percent is 30%. So what will be the selling price? 100 minus 30 will give us 70%, isn't it? So 70% of 12,000 will be the discounted value, isn't it? 70% means 100 in the denominator, okay, of 12,000. 12,000. This will be the discounted value. So let's cancel this. 70%, okay, of 12,000. Two zeros cancels out, isn't it? So this will give us 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7, plus 1 is 8. So this 0 and this 0 we will write here, 8,400. Okay, MRP 12,000, discount percent 30%, which means SP will be 70%, isn't it? 70% of MRP, that is 8,400. 8,400. 8400. Similarly, MRP is 15,000, discount percent 20%, isn't it? So SP will be 80% of 100 minus 20 is 80, isn't it? 80% of 15,000. So we will calculate this later on. So MRP is 9,500, and discount percent is 30%. So selling price will be 70%. 70% means we write 100 in the denominator, okay, into 9,500. Similarly, MRP is 18,000, discount percent is 40%, so selling price will be 60, isn't it? 100 minus 40 is 60% of 18,000. So now let us calculate this. In the first case, we have 80% of 15,000, isn't it? So 80% of 15,000. Two zeros cancels out. 8 5s are 40. 8 1s are 8, plus 4 is 12. So this 0 and this 0 we write here. 12,000. So this will be 12,000. Isn't it? 70% of 9,500. 70% of 9,500. This will give us, this two zeros cancels out. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 in hand, 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 3 is 66. This 0 we write here. So 6,650. 6650. Similarly, 60% of 18,000, isn't it? 60% of 18,000. 60% of 80,000. Two zeros cancels out. 6 8s are 48. Okay, this 0 and this 20 we write here. So 4,800, isn't it? Oh, this is 18,000, not 80,000. 18,000. 60% of 18,000. 60% of 18,000. Two zeros cancels out. 6 8s are 48. 8, 4 in hand. 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10. So this 0 and this 0 we write here. 10,800. 10800. Let me write clearly, okay? 10800. 10800, isn't it? 10800. 10,800. Now we have discounted value or the selling price. Now we will add CGST and SGST. Okay, so CGST is 6%, selling price is 8,400, isn't it? So what will be the CGST value? 6% of 6% means we write 100 in the denominator. 6% of 8,400, 8400. This will give us CGST. Okay, 9%, CGST is 9%, isn't it? So 9% means 100 in the denominator of 12,000. This will give us CGST. Again, 14%, so 14% of 6,650. 14% of 6,650, isn't it? Similarly, 2.5% of 10,800. Please remember, tax is always calculated on the selling price, okay, never on the mark price. So 2.5% CGST is 2.5%, means 2.5% of the discounted value or the selling price. 2.5% of 10,800. Now let us calculate these values. 6% of 8,400. The first case, two zeros cancels out. 6 4s are 28. Sorry, 6 4s are 24. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 2, 49, 50. 504. Okay, so 6% of 8,400 is 504 rupees. 504. Okay, CGST is 504, which means SGST will also be 504. 6% of 8400 is rupees 504. Okay, let us calculate this. 9% of 12,000. Okay, 9% of 12,000, isn't it? So this two zeros cancels out. 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 9 plus 1 is 10. This 0 we write here. So 1080, isn't it? 1080. 1080. 9% of 12,000 is 1080. If CGST is 1080, SGST will also be same, because whatever be the percentage of CGST, same will be the percentage of SGST, isn't it? So 9% of 12,000 equal to 1080. 1080, isn't it? Similarly, 14% of 6650. Let us calculate this. 14% of 6650. This 0 and this 0 we cancel out. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Okay, this becomes 6. 15. 5 3s are 15. 1 5 3s are 15, isn't it? So 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2, 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 means 3. 2 in hand. 7 on the 7 plus 2 is 9. 931. 931. Okay. 14% of 6650 means 931. So when CGST is 931 rupees, SGST will also be same. 14% of 6650, 931. Similarly, let us calculate the last one. 2.5%, 2.5% of 10800. This two zeros cancels out. So 25 into 108. 108 into 2.5. Okay. So this will give us 5 heads are 40, 0, 4 in hand, 5 0 0 plus 4 is 4, 5 ones are 5. 2 heads are 16, 6 1 in hand, 2 0 0 1, 2 ones are 2. So 0, 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 1 6, plus 1 is 7, 2. So we have a decimal point before one digit. So let us put the decimal point. This will give us 270, because 0 has no value after decimal point, isn't it? 270. So when CGST is rupees 270, SGST will also be same. 2.5% of 1080 means rupees 270. Okay. Now let us calculate the total bill. Bill amount means selling price plus tax. Okay, selling price plus tax. Taxes, CGST and SGST both. Okay, so we have 8,400 in the first case. Okay, 8,400, 8400 is the selling price, discounted value, isn't it? This is the discounted value, 8,400 plus 504 and 504. This 504 is CGST and this 504 is SGST. So 504, again 504. So we add selling price plus CGST plus SGST. We get the bill amount. 4 plus 4 is 8. 0 we write here. 5 5 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9408. First bill amount is 9408. 9408. Okay. Second, let us see the second one. Second one, selling price is 12,000, isn't it? 12,000. Selling price is 12,000 and tax is 1,080 CGST and 1,080 SGST. So 1080, again 1080. So we add all this. This is selling price, this is CGST and this is SGST. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 8 is 16. 6, 1 in hand. So 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 1. 14,160, isn't it? So this will give us 14,160. Now again, 6650, third case. 6650 is the selling price. Taxes 931 and 931. So 931, again 931. CGST and SGST. Okay. So this will give us 2. 5 plus 3, 8. Okay. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 in hand. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 9, 24, isn't it? 24 plus 1. 25, 5, 2 in hand. 6 plus 2, 8. 8,512. 8512. Let us calculate the third one. 10,800. 10,800 is the selling price. 10800. 270 and 270 is the tax. 270 and 270. So 0. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 3. So 1, 1. 11,340. 11,340 is the total bill amount after adding the taxes. Okay. So we are asked to calculate the total bill amount, isn't it? So total bill will be the addition of all these bills, isn't it? So 9408, 9408, the first one. Second one 14160, 14160. Third one 8512, 8512. Fourth one 11340, 11340. Let us add all of this. 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1 in hand. 6 4 10 plus 1 11 plus 1 is 12, 2 1 in hand. 4 5 5 10, 3 13 plus 1 is 14, 4 1 in hand. 9 plus 8 17 plus 1 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 1 is 23. Okay, 2 in hand. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. So 43,420 rupees. 43,420 is the total bill amount for all these commodities. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, now let us do question number 7. For the data given above in question number 6, find the amount of bill for the interstate transaction. So we are going to use the data of question number 6. Okay, but the transaction here is interstate transaction. In question number 6 we have done intra-state transaction, isn't it? But right now interstate transaction, which means supply is made from one state to another state. Okay, transaction is carried from one state to another state. So we don't have to calculate SGST and CGST. Straight away we will calculate IGST, Integrated Goods and Services Tax. Okay, so in question number 6, CGST is 6%. Given CGST is 6%. Okay, in the first case CGST is 6%, which means we don't have to calculate SGST, which means IGST will be double of 6, that is 12%. In the second case, CGST given is 9%. Okay, so straight away we will calculate IGST, that is 9 plus 9, double of 9 is 18%. Let me write a little below, 18%. Okay, in the third case, CGST given is 14%, isn't it? CGST given is 14%, that is IGST is 28%. Okay, in the third case, CGST given is 2.5%, which means IGST will be 5%. 2.5, double of 2.5 is 5%. Okay, double of 14 is 28, double of 2.5 is 5%. We will not calculate SGST or CGST, we will straight away calculate IGST. Okay, now let us do this question. We are asked to calculate the bill amount, total bill amount. In the first case, MRP is 12,000, discount given is 30%. So discounted value or the selling price will be 100 minus 30, that is 70% of 12,000, isn't it? 70% of 12,000. Okay, this will give us, let me calculate here, 70% of 12,000. 2 zeros cancels out. 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8, 2 0 we write here, 8,400. 8,400. This will be the selling price. In the second case, we have discount percent is 20% and MRP is 15,000. So discounted value or the selling price will be 80% of 15,000. Okay, 100 minus 20 will give us 80, isn't it? 80% of 15,000. So let's calculate that. 80% of 15,000, isn't it? 2 zeros cancels out. 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 0 4 in hand, 8 1s are 8 plus 4 is 12. These 2 zeros we write here. So 12,000, isn't it? 12,000. In the third case, we have MRP 9,500 and discount percent is 30%. So discounted value will be 70% of 9500. This will give us 70% of 70% of 9500. Two zeros cancels out. 7 5s are 35, 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 3 is 66. This zero we write here 6650, 6650. Okay. Similarly, in the third case, 40% is the discount, so selling price will be 60% of 18,000, isn't it? Two zeros cancels out. 6 8s are 48, 8 4 in hand, 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10. This 20 we write here 10,800. So 60% of 18,000 will be 10,800. Okay. Now let us calculate the IGST or the tax. Okay. So we have 12% tax, which means 12% of selling price. Please remember, tax is always calculated on selling price, never on market price. Okay. So 12% of selling price. 12% means we write 100 in the denominator, of means into 8400. 8400. This will give us 12% of 8400. Let me calculate here. 12%. 12% of 8400. Two zeros cancels out. The 48, 8 4 in hand, 12 at the 96, 96 plus 4 is 100. Okay, and this 1008. Okay, 1008, 1008. Similarly, 18% of the selling price. 18, we remove the sign of percentage. 18% of 12,000, isn't it? This will give us 18% of 12,000. Two zeros cancel out. 12 it's a 96, 6. Okay, 9 in hand, 12 on the 12 plus 9. 12 plus 9, 21, isn't it? 21 we write here, and this 0 we write here. 2,160. Okay, 2,160. Similarly, 28% of 6650, which means 28% of 6650. Let us calculate that also. 28% of 6650. So this 0 and this 0 we cancel out. 5 2s are 10, 5 13s are 65, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So 5 3s are 15. 2 1s are 2, 2 14s are 28. So 133 into 14. Okay, 133 into 14. 4 3s are 12. 1 hand, 4 is 12 plus 1 13. 1 hand, 4 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. 1 1 is 1. 2 6 8 1. 1862. 1862. 1862 is the tax. Now let us calculate the third one. Fourth one. Okay, 5% of the selling price. What is the selling price? 5% of selling price is 10,800. 10,800. Two zeros cancels out. Okay, so 5 8s are 40. 0 5 0 0 plus 4. Okay, 5 1s are 5. Rupees 540, isn't it? So We have calculated the tax, okay, and we have the selling price. So bill amount will be selling price plus the tax. So the first one is, let us add this here. 8,400 is the selling price and tax is 1,008. 8,400 is the selling price, tax is 1,008. So let us add this. 8,400 plus 1,008. So this will give us 8,048. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9,408. 9,408. Second, selling price is 12,000, tax is 2,160. So we add up 12,000 and 2,160. Okay, so 0, this will give us 6. 1, 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 14,160. 14,160. Okay, third one, selling price is 6,650, tax is 1,862. So let us add up selling price and tax. 6,650 plus 1,862. 1,862. 2, 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 8 plus 6, 14, plus 1 is 15. 6 plus 1, 7, plus 1 is 8. 8,512. 8,512. Okay, and the third one, selling price is 10,800 and the tax is 540, isn't it? So we add up 10,800 plus 540. So 0, 4, 8 plus 5 is 13. 0, 1, 1. 11,340. 11,340. Okay, so let us add up all the bill amount to get the total bill amount. We add up 9,408, 1,400, 14,160, 8,512 and 11,340 to get the total bill amount. Okay, so total bill amount will be, total bill amount will be equal to the sum of all this, isn't it? So let us add up this here. Okay, 9,408 the first bill, second bill is 1,4,160, third is 8,512, fourth is 11,340. Okay, so the sum of all this will be 8 plus 2 is 10. 0, 1 in hand. 6 plus 4, 10, plus 1, 11, plus 1 is 12. 2, 1 in hand. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10, 3, 13, plus 1 is 14. 4, 1 in hand. 9 plus 8, 17, plus 1, 18. 18 plus 4, 22, plus 1, 23. 2 in hand. 1 plus 1, 2, plus 2 is 4. 43,420. Okay, so the total bill amount will be the sum of all the bills. Sum of all the bills will give us 43,420. 420. So this will be the total bill amount. Okay, I hope you got this. Okay, thank you so much. Stay connected. I'll upload the rest of the questions in the next video.